What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I've been thinking about it and I was going back and forth about making a video today. I just brought my gear so I can just think about it, so I'm probably gonna do one. So today it's a Saturday, so I was thinking about doing, not thinking about it, but I was gonna do a oil change and chain cleaning on my bike, and at the same time, because it's overcasted, I'm gonna do a quick ride and warm up the oil, the chain, so I can clean those out and drain the oil. And you can guys see I'm in the storage unit. I'm in the front door trying to get some good light. And but yeah, in the unit here, it's indoors. Then it's kind of dark in the unit, so I'll let you guys see it. But let's head over. But yeah guys, so I've been thinking about it, and should I make a video or not, but content is content. So let's go down, and here it is, the storage unit. So like I was saying, kind of dark, so trying to make a video, it'll be kind of hard in here. So there is some light up here, but it's just out here in the hallway, not in the unit. But got my oil over there ready. But right now I need to get the bike ready. It's on my stands right now and covered. I need to put the battery back on. I took it off for the winter. Trying to maintain the battery this time. And yeah, so let me install the battery, go out for a quick ride, and just get that warmed up, and the oil too, and the chain. And for another idea that I have, I'm gonna do the importance of the crush washer. That'll be a separate video. But yeah guys, if you want to know more of the oil changes and chain cleaning, I already did one. I'll put them up here. But today I'm just gonna do a quick video, just me working on the bike, doing the oil change and cleaning the chain, so be an extra content on the channel. But yeah guys, so let me get this ready, get the bike out, ride for a bit, come back and start doing the oil change. And I did bring a small light. I don't know if it's gonna light up the unit, but hopefully it is good enough. If not, it's gonna be probably too dark, but hopefully I can work with it. But yeah guys, so let me get the bike ready, and I'll be right back after a quick second for you. Be probably a half hour for me or less. So alright guys, see you soon. Alright guys, I am back in the storage room. So right now I ended up switching out my lens. So I'm using a Sigma art lens, so it's a lower f-stop, so I can use the lower light capabilities of this camera or the lens in the storage room, so I could get some better light. But yeah guys, the bike is right outside. Sorry, it's gonna be kind of blown out, but there's the bike. So yeah, let me bring the bike back in here, put some shop towels down so it won't stay in the floor. Got everything all right here. Hopefully you guys like that cinematic or video on the bike. On the helmet, I'll probably do a separate video, but the bracket or the attachment on the helmet, it broke, so I couldn't mount my GoPro on there. So but hopefully that video came out okay. You'll be able to see, it was kind of overcasted outside, so probably I think it was like a 20 minute drive, so at least everything should be warmed up. It's cooling down, the oil is cooling down right now, so I can drain it. So but yeah guys, let me get the bike in here. You probably see just a quick overview of the oil draining, then me changing the oil. But yeah guys, stay tuned for a video that I am gonna do about the cross washer, how important that is. So guys, alrighty, let's get this going, and hopefully this day is not too long. I want to relax and enjoy some movies. They came out yesterday. Depending on when I set this video out, Demon Slayer came out and Mortal Kombat, so I want to watch those two. So let me get this going, and I want to watch those movies. So alright guys, enjoy. Alright guys, so there you go. You saw the process, you saw everything, the oil being put in. I did turn on the bike so I can cycle the oil through the engine. Then I let it sit down for a bit, so I've been waiting for a bit right now. But right now, it's just topped off the oil. It's literally dead center. I'll show you right now. So there we go, guys. You can see it's dead center. The oil is not completely clean right there. It looks like it. So I am gonna do it again, probably in another like 2,000 miles. I'm not gonna wait 3,000. So dead center on those two lines of the indicator of the oil level. So right now I'm gonna clean up. I got everything right here in there. I got the used oil. It filled up 2 quarts all the way to the top. There was a bit left over, so it was at least 2.5 quarts, it looks like. So not a lot of oil came out. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna do it again in 2,000 miles. I have extra oil here in my buddy's house too. Then that's pretty much it. So right now I'm just gonna install the fairing back on, and that's pretty much it, guys. Done with that project. The actual chain, it's getting too late. I really want to go see that movie, both of them. And yeah, guys. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It'll help me a lot to hit that 1,000 subscribers this year. I'm gonna try to shoot this year to push for the 1,000 subscribers. And thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like it, let me know in the comments. I'll be right there. Alright, guys, peace out.